Welcome back to Learning English with Gifty. Today, we are learning one of the most important things in English language, verb to be. Now, we use verb to be to talk about ourselves, to talk about our jobs, and a lot of other things. So quickly, let's get into the lesson. Now, for verb to be, we use am, is, and are. For example, I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, they are. Now, notice we use is for third person. He, she, and it. While we use are for you, we, and they. Then we use am for I. For example, I am gifts. You are a student. He is a boy. She is a chef. It is a dog. We are happy. And they are children. So, you see, we use it to talk about ourselves, what's our occupation, and lots of other things. Okay? So now let's read together. I am gifts. Good job. You are a student. Great job. He is a boy. Amazing. She is a chef. Good job. We are happy. Good. They are children. Good job. Now, we all know that for positive, it is I am. When you want to say something in negative, you say, I am not. You are not. He is not. She is not. It is not. We are not. They are good. They are not. That's correct. So remember, for positive and negative, you say I am, right? But for question, it's the other way around. You say I, are, you, is, he, is, she, is, it, are, we, are, they. Okay? So for question, is the other way around. You use am comes here and I stays here. So it becomes am I. For example, am I gifts? Okay? Number 2, are you a teacher? Number 3, is he? Number 3, is he a doctor? Number 4, is she a chef? Number 5, is it a dog? And number 6, are we sisters? And number 7, are they children? So you see, when you want to use questions, the verb to be comes before the subject, which is why it is, am I gifts? Are you a teacher? Is he a doctor? Is she a chef? Is it a dog? Are we sisters? And are they children? Gotten? Good job! Now, to practice answering questions with verb to be, we can say, am I gifts? Yes, I am. Short answer. So, positive, right? The subject, then verb to be. Yes, I am. Are you a teacher? Yes, you are. Positive, subject you, and verb to be are. Saying, is he a doctor? Now, negative. No, he is not. No, he is not. No, subject, verb to be, and negative. Is she a chef? No, she is not. Negative, subject she, verb to be is, and not. Negative. Is it a dog? Yes, it is. Are we sisters? Yes, we are. Are they children? No, they are not. So, this is how to use verb to be with negative, positive, and questions. Now, it's your turn. Answer these questions. Are you happy? Correct. Yes, I am. Good. Now, number 2. Is he sad? Correct. No, he isn't. No, he is not. Number 3. Are they tired? Mm, correct. No, they are not. Good job. Now, let's quickly answer these questions. Number 1, I. Good job. I am a girl. Number 2, you. That's correct. You are a student. Number 3, he. Good job. He is a man. Number 4, she. Good job. She is a teacher. Number 5, we. Good. We are brothers. Number 6, they. Good. They are sisters. Great job today. I am so proud of you for participating in this lesson. I'm sure you have learned how to use verb to be. Now, for your homework, I want you to make 5 sentences introducing yourself with verb to be. Okay? For more lessons like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification because I post lessons like this every week. Don't forget to share with your friends, and I will see you next week. Bye!